Getting a credit score as a foreigner is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video, I'll be telling you how you guys can do it. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe. Oh, how to do that? Apply for a credit card. The first thing is, if you're a foreigner to a new country, just apply for the credit card. One of the best ways to establish and build your credit history is by getting a credit card. If you have a zero credit history, you might not qualify for the traditional card right away, but make sure that if you are from the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, your credit card history or credit card scores can be transferred to the other country as well. If you're not from those countries, you have to buy a new credit card. So the other step is consider alternatives. Another option is to take out the credit builder loan. These loans are designed to help people establish credit and can also help you build your savings. And after that, become an authorized user. If you have a family member or friend, just become their credit card authorized user by sharing their credit card. And after that, this will be able to help you build your credit score as a foreigner. Get credit for paying the rent and other bills. This is very an important step. Some services allow you to report your rent and utility payments to the credit bureaus, which can help you build credit. So make sure that you are responsible and you are responsibly managing your account. Make sure to pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low. This will help you build a positive credit history. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.